welcome. I wanted to drop a quick update video on the Surface Duo. Speaking of the updates, still no sign of Android 11 on the Duo, but we do have the latest in security updates from July. Battery performance has been excellent for me on the Duo personally, charges pretty fast as well when it does need charging. Another question I received on my last Duo video was regarding ebooks. I use Kindle and a few other apps to read on the Surface Duo, and it looks incredible. There's no issues with overlap for my use or issues with page navigation. With its book-like design, reading on here is really awesome. Consuming content is still super smooth, especially in tent mode. I still love throwing the Duo into tent mode to watch YouTube, Netflix, and any other content. It's nice to just throw up a video and kick back. The slim Surface Pen has come in hand a number of times, so I highly recommend this accessory for the Surface Duo. Would be nice to see Microsoft bundle this. Recently, I threw a yellow pastel dbrand skin on my Duo. It looks pretty sharp overall. I'm still quite impressed with the build and engineering that went into the first Surface Duo. The bumper has kept up nicely as well. The fingerprint scanner is still working smoothly and opens consistently every time I use it without issues for those asking about that fingerprint scanner. The hinge itself is still solid, and I hope the Surface Duo 2 follows this similar hinge design. Microsoft definitely nailed it here in terms of the hardware. Regardless of your thoughts about Microsoft Surface devices, you have to hand it to them here on this one. Every time I pick this up, it's just a reminder of how much work they had to invest here to accomplish this design. It's just crazy. It's just as thin as about that USB Type-C port on each side. Magnets on the front of the Duo still making a great addition for carrying this slim Surface Pen. Kind of curious how this will work with the Surface Duo 2. For those asking as well, the software experience has been super smooth as well. Now let's get into the Surface Duo 2 rumors, in particular the camera rumors. For me, this image is pretty sus overall. The color differences in the two sides was my first red flag. While I do believe Microsoft will stick with a similar design to the Surface Duo 1, I'm not quite sure they would just slap the new camera array on the Surface Duo 2 and call this done. Here's a closer look at the camera array setup on the back in this photo from the leaked images of the Surface Duo 2. Now again, I can't say for certain that this is the official Surface Duo 2. Of course, these are just leaks, but let me know in the comments down below your thoughts overall. As you can kind of see, the camera array does have that wedge shape, so maybe it'll close a little bit easier having it on the back of the Duo if they keep that same design with the Surface Duo 2. But what are your thoughts in the comments down below? Certainly let me know. I'm really interested in your thoughts on these leaks. Overall, I'm just excited that we are getting a Surface Duo 2, and seeing all these leaks just makes me really excited, especially if there is a matte black Surface Duo 2 option. I will definitely be picking that up. But while we wait for that official Surface Duo 2, I wanted to give you my overall thoughts, opinions, and update on the Surface Duo, the first generation, over the last few days. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you have a Surface Duo? What are your thoughts on it so far? Also, what are your thoughts on the leaked Surface Duo 2? Really interested in that. Again, thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.